My name is what? My name is who? My name is
Officer Puppet.
Hi. My name is My name is what? My name is
Officer Puppet.
Hi. My name is what? My name is
Hey,
who?
can
My
I have
name
your
is
attention, please?
Hi.
Now
My name is
introducing
My
Bushido
name is what?
Productions.
My name is
Officer Puppet.
Yo, it's Officer Puppet, officer of the law. I'm no little Miss Muffet. Yo, it's Officer Puppet, protecting the public is what I'm all about. But as much as I want to help, I can't always help you out. So what should you get? Well, I'm here to let you know about. Yo, the sharpshooter keychain is your best bet by far. Yo, it's legal and a year guarantee. BushidoProductions.com.